Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Assemble the essentials: a crowbar, flashlight, rope, and a lighter. Once done, enter the Derelict northwest entry. The sequence triggers on your first interaction. Pry the rusted gate with the crowbar and make sure to drop a marker at the stairwell so you avoid backtracking. You need these exact items because the only method requires forcing one choke point, lighting a path, and securing a rappel anchor. Move deliberately. Don't waste time reloading. Once you reach the inner corridor, sweep with your flashlight and listen for faint electronic hums about 3 to 4 meters away. Those mark the traps. Make sure to secure your rope to the solid overhead beam, then descend slowly. Sudden drops break the anchor and abort the run. At the lower landing, strike a match to expose the hidden latch, then use the crowbar to pry open the inner door. This precise sequence is why this is the only way to progress. You're at the alcove. Pick up the Scots log and rotate it 90 degrees. The serial grooves align and unlock the data chip. Once secured, exit through the ventilator shaft. Climb with the rope and make sure to relock the inner door to avoid NPC spawns. If the alcove is sealed or the log won't reveal grooves, don't panic. Exit the map completely and re-enter after 30 seconds to reset collision and triggers. That reset fixes most stuck states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.